Hello, here you can get a checkmate in 2 for white, but there's only one move that will do it. Any other moves will be a checkmate in 3 or worse. Black has the king, queen, pair of knights, 3 pawns and a bishop. White has the king, queen, pair of rooks, pair of bishops, pair of knights and 2 pawns. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2 for white? Taking the queen with your rook doesn't get you a checkmate in 2. Black can take the rook back with their pawn. You can then check with your bishop. The king takes your knight, you can checkmate with the queen. And if black blocks the bishop with the knight, you can just checkmate in 3 with the bishop. Checking the king by moving your knight to d3 isn't a checkmate in 2, unless the black king takes your other knights, in which case you can checkmate in 2 with the queen, because the other knight is pinned by the rook. If the king moves to c4, you can start to move the queen in, and then the queen can go into b4 to just checkmate in 3. And the queen is pinned. Moving the queen to e5 is almost a mate in 2, but black can save the mate in 2 by moving the bishop to b1. And then move your knight to check the king. Black can take back, but then you could take the other knight to just checkmate in 3, but not 2. Checking the king with the other knight move is still only a mate in 3. It's actually a forced move that the bishop has to take the knight back. Then you can move in with the other knight to check the king. And then it doesn't matter where the king moves, but you can mate in 3 with the queen. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the bishop to b5. If black decides to move their king to d4, you can move the queen to e3 to checkmate in 2. King can't move and the knight and queen are both pinned. If black decides to take the rook with their queen, you can then move your queen to d6 to checkmate in 2. If black moves their queen to c4, you can just take the queen with your rook to checkmate in 2. And if black tries to take your queen with their knight, you can just take it back with your knight to checkmate in 2. That's the end of this video. Please subscribe to not miss out on future chess puzzles, and I'll see you again soon.